Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a BzzAgent unboxing. The only thing I did was literally cut the tape. Now this is a free box. If you don't know what BzzAgent is, you go on their website, sign up, and you literally get free stuff. All you gotta do is review when you review, you actually have to try the product, and tell them what you really think, and then you fill out an email that they sent you, and you can, to get more products and whatever. And once they review it, they'll send you another campaign. So this is fun. So let's open this box, and yeah. So like I said, it's free. That's all that matters. I'm just kidding. This is what one of their little cards look like. I know it's so weird to try and read. And what I signed up for was the Kellogg's. I gotta dump it out, obviously. Okay, was the Kellogg's campaign, and I've already tried these before. I love them. These will probably end up going in a Kirk's, but it is what it is. And you just gotta write something this video will be posted on, and yeah, I will put the link below if I can find it, and I will see you guys in the next video. By the way, I'll get into the other thing I wanted to say in another video. But alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye!